Today we're going to demonstrate how to use the sort and filter action. The sort and filter action is essential for organizing and refining large datasets. It allows you to sort by specific criteria and filter out only the relevant information, ensuring you can efficiently focus on the most important data for your needs. In this example, we will retrieve some opportunity data from Salesforce, focusing on opportunities in the qualification stage, meaning they haven't been won yet. We will sort these opportunities by their creation date in descending order, from the newest to the oldest. The workflow will be triggered manually, but you can always decide whether to schedule it or trigger it via a webhook. First, we'll use the Get Records action to fetch opportunity data from Salesforce. Next, we'll apply the sort and filter action. In this case, we want to sort the opportunities by the creation date in descending order, but you can also sort by multiple fields if needed. Additionally, we'll filter the opportunities to include only those in the qualification stage, which could be useful for identifying potential customers to follow up with for further meetings. The top-end field allows you to limit the results set to a specific number of records, meaning you can control how many data entries to retrieve. The offset field is used to skip a certain number of rows before retrieving data. If you don't set a value for the offset, the default is 0, meaning no rows will be skipped. Now, let's test the workflow and examine the output. As you can see, the output is well organized according to our needs. The opportunities are sorted by the latest created date and filtered based on the qualification stage. In this case, we see a few opportunities, and the most recent ones were created on the same day. But don't worry, Sort and Filter is smart enough to recognize this and will sort based on the exact time of creation for each opportunity. There are cases where you may need to use the advanced capabilities of Sort and Filter to perform more complex manipulations based on your conditions. For this purpose, we have enabled the advanced filtering feature. In this example, opportunities that are not won are labeled customer important, while closed ones are labeled customer closed. We want to filter the data to show only important customers, which is where advanced filtering comes in. Advanced filtering in Sort and Filter offers even greater control over how you organize and manipulate your data. It allows you to apply more detailed filters to retrieve highly specific information. In this workflow, we'll retrieve the same data as before, but use advanced filtering. We'll split the text by a hyphen and extract the last part, which is important in this case. If it's not entirely clear, let's walk through how it works. You can see the two types of descriptions here: customer important and customer closed. The advanced filtering splits the description by the hyphen and selects the last value, either important or closed. Since important is the relevant value in this example, it retrieves only those entries. Let's run the workflow and examine the output. As you can see, the output is correctly organized according to our requirements. We retrieved two opportunities described as important. Sort and Filter is incredibly useful and one of the most common actions in Engini. This was just a small demonstration, but you can do much more with Sort and Filter, especially when using the advanced filtering option to precisely manipulate data to suit your needs. And that's it. Sort and Filter is a powerful tool for managing and manipulating data. With this action, you can filter out irrelevant information and focus on what truly matters. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.